What's up everyone and welcome to the club and welcome to another custom by Barty shoe giveaway. In the last couple of weeks we gave away 2 custom pair of Nike Air Force Ones. If you missed it, don't worry, I got a ton of gear to give away. So in today's video I'm going to be creating the Nike BENASSI Slide Ink Machine Edition. Stick around to the end because I'm going to be showing you how you can win this pair. I hope you enjoy. And there we have it, there's a Nike BENASSI Slide Ink Machine Edition. If you want a chance at winning these, make sure you subscribe and tell me where you're from down below. I want to thank you for watching and we'll see you again soon.